Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 4th standard. Today, I will teach you how to make a project in MS Word application. Previously, we have learnt about introduction to formatting, changing the font type, applying bold, italic and underline effects, changing text alignment, changing text color, changing text case, setting line spacing, setting paragraph spacing, creating bulleted or numbered list, and printing and previewing a document. And today we will use all these features to make a project in MS Word by typing a letter on invitation of birthday party in MS Word. So the main objectives of the day are how to type a letter invitation to birthday party in MS Word, how to do formatting of this document, and how to save it for future use. So now open Microsoft Word window. Our Word window is opened on the screen, and students, you can see that by default Home tab is open, which consists of different formatting groups to format the document. And today we will use two groups, that is font group and paragraph group, to format this letter. So first of all, you can see that the size of the font is very small, which is not visible to everyone. So to increase the font size, first of all, select the full letter by dragging the mouse over the text and click on font size drop down arrow and then select any size. Similarly, you can make the whole text darker by clicking on bold button. So you can see that our text becomes darker, which is easily visible to everyone. Now we will do the formatting of the main heading invitation to birthday party. First of all, you have to select it. Then you can increase the size of the main heading. You can change the font also. Font means you can take any other handwriting style. So click on font drop down arrow and select any handwriting style. Similarly, you can underline the main heading by clicking on underline button. Similarly, we can apply bullet to our main heading by clicking on bullets button from the paragraph group and click on any style. Now we will use the font color feature of MS Word to change the color of the text. First of all, we have selected the main heading, so we will change the color of the main heading. So click on font color button and select any color. Similarly, we can change the text color of the rest of the text. So first of all, select the text, click on font color button and select any color. You can change the color of each and every line of your letter to make it look attractive. So in this way, you will change the font color according to your choice. Remember one thing, that whenever you are applying any formatting effect to the text, our first step is to select the text. So you have seen that by selecting the text and clicking on font color button, I have applied different color to my letter. Remember one thing, that whenever we are writing the name of any person or place, we make the first letter of that name or place capital. So here you can see that the name Radhika is having red underline, means it is having spelling mistake. So to remove this red underline, we will use the text case feature of MS Word. So first of all, select the name Radhika, then click on Change Case button in Font Group, and here you can see that we are having 5 change case options. And now we will click on Capitalize each word so that the first letter of the name Radhika becomes capital. So you can see that the red wavy line under the Radhika name has removed. Now I will tell you how to use alignment feature of MS Word. Alignment means the position of text on a page. By default, our text is left aligned, but you can see that our text is not fully justified on this page. Now, to make the text fully justified, first of all, select the text. Second is, in the paragraph group, we are having the 4 alignment buttons, and we will click on Justify button. Now you can observe the change that our text is equally justified from both the sides. Students, you can also change the page color. By default, we are having white color page, and if you want to change the color of the page, then click on Page Layout tab, click on Page Color button, and click on any color. So in this way, you will change the color of the page to make your letter look more attractive and beautiful. So you can see now our letter is ready to print. And to print this letter, we will click on File tab, click on Print option. Here you can see the preview of your letter. You can drag the slider at the bottom right corner to increase or decrease the size of your letter. Similarly, you can change the orientation, that is the layout position of the paper for printing. By default, you can see that we are having portrait orientation. So you can make it landscape also. After doing all these changes, click on Save button. So you can see that on the title bar, we are having the name Invitation to Birthday Party. That means our letter is saved with this name. Remember one thing, that you will get the printout of your letter only if printer is attached to your computer. So today we have discussed about how to type a letter, invitation to birthday party, in MS Word, how to do formatting of this document, and how to save it for future use. Students, kindly go through the topic which I have taught you today and do practice of all these formatting commands. Thank you.